Hello one and all. From this video, we will come to know how to download and install Postgres and also how to add PostGIS extension. First of all, go to your browser and type postgresql and go to the respective. Now click on the download and it will take you to this page. Now select your operating system, either the Linux, Mac, Windows, Solaris or BSD. Just click. Right now we are currently working on Windows. Just click on Windows. When you click on Windows, it will take you to this page. Now just go here, download the installer and click over here and it will take you to this page. Here click on, depending upon your version, depending upon your operating system and which type of version you require, either 9.6.18 or 10.13 or 12.3, whatever the version. Right now in our videos we are going to use 12.3 and our architecture is around 64-bit architecture. So I am going to download it by clicking here. Once the required file got downloaded, please go to the respective folder and click on this installer. Go to right click and run as administrator and give the permissions. Now this will take you to this window. Click next. Choose where you want to install the file. Next, and click on all those things, whether check all these things and proceed further. And data directory, just check it. No issues. If you want to change, you can change it. Next, you need to provide a password. Okay, better right now I am providing a password. Add something. Okay, you need to provide your password. Then you need to go on, click next. This is the port in which your PostgreSQL is going to utilize it. Now click on next. You need not to worry. You can see there are different. Select the locality to be used for the new database cluster. Like this, you can see lot many things here. Like this, if you go further, Hindi. If you are from India, you can use Hindi. Like that, Gujarati, whatever you want. You can. It's up to your call. You can choose. We'll go with the default one, and I'm going to click next. The following settings will be used for the installation. Okay, as we have clicked those, we have checked all these things in the previous panel. So all these things will be highlighted here, and they will be installed. Click next for the further processing. Okay, click next and wait until the installation gets finished. Now, once that part of installation got done, this window will be popped up in a continuously. Now we need to check this thing and we need to click finish and we need to wait for some time. So this stack builder will be loaded. Now we need to select Postgres 12, the 64-bit architecture, port number 5432. Okay. Now click next and it is going to download certain list of applications. Yes, certain list of applications are loaded here. Majorly we are going to deal with the spatial databases. So we need to click spatial extension and we need to check this thing, PostGIS. And we can notice this thing here. Okay. Now we need to click next and it is going to install it. The directory you can choose it, whether this directory you want or any other directory you want. Now the PostGIS extension got downloaded. Now we need to install it. So we need to uncheck this. We need to check whether this skip installation part was checked or unchecked. It need to be unchecked and we need to proceed for installation. Click on next and wait for some time. Now we will see a license agreement. Just click I agree and select the components to install PostgIS and also create a spatial database. It is for our better utilization. Click next. Where do you want to install? Already we have destined the folder. Next. And were aware. Previously we gave a password. Just retype the password here and click next. And let it be that sample name. If you want to change the database sample name, you can change it. Let us keep that postgis underscore db underscore sample. Let it be. We can change it later on also. Okay. Install. It will take certain amount of time to install it, but it's too fast. And it is going to ask something. For me, I am clicking yes, depending upon my system criteria, depending upon my variables present in the environment. And here we can see this notification. Click yes. We can enable all these things later on. Okay, need not to worry about these because initially these raster drivers got disabled. We need to enable them. Yes, just wait for a while. We can see completed. Just click close and click finish. Now, after clicking on finish, just come here and type pg admin and double click over it. It will open in your default browser. Just wait till it loads. Now you are seeing not in a proper way. So I will let you know if if you clicked on that and if your browser opens the particular page in this way, you need to do some little bit of correction. I will let you know what you need to do. Now we are facing a rendering issue. So we need to avoid it. So we need to correct it. Just click on Windows and R and a run prompt will be opened. Go and edit your registry keys. Now click OK. Give permission yes. Now just you need to do one thing. You just need to click over this H key underscore classes underscore root and go to .css here. Just click over here and you have noticed content type. The content type is in application /x dash css. Now change it to go here, right click, modify, up and just paste this thing and click OK. Now cancel this. Now I got the solution for the rendering issue in this page. PG admin. They have mentioned it clearly here. So I just copied it and pasted there. Okay. Now close this and close this. Type pgdadmin, click over it. It will take you to a. Now again close that browser, type pgdadmin again and go here, let it load. Now the rendering issue got resolved. Now provide the password and click OK. Now we can see. Okay, this is how the PGD admin 4 interface look like. Now click on the servers. Now click on the servers. Sometimes it will prompt for a password. Provide the password and click on the databases. We can see the databases, and you remember this is the database which we created initially while we are installing it. Now we need to link it because it is showing the cross mark. Just go here and create. Create. First we can see that different things we have noticed here. Now we can go for the extensions. Let us see what are the type of extensions we have. Here we can see the PostgIS extension is enabled. Okay, na? Like this. If you want to add new extension, we can need to go back and create over the extension. We need to create like this. And how to work on these PostgIS, SQL, Postgres, and how to deploy those spatial concept we will learn in the further sessions.